What's going on, everyone? Just going to recap a trade that I took today. Um, as you can see, I took the SPY 402 calls, 0 DTE. My position size was $288. I had 6 contracts at 48 cents. So I drew here my entry, my stop, my target. Um, just so it's easier to see. So my entry was 400. I was waiting for a 5 minute candle close, confirming the upside move to 401, and I was hoping for 402. Once I got that, if you see here, this is how my chart looked um, in the morning. I was waiting for a 399 break for some potential downside, and I was waiting for a 400 break to the upside to look to enter a trade. Um, I also was waiting on a 5 minute candle close and a good candle looking like it had sentiment in the direction I was looking. So we had this candle 655. It closed at 7 o'clock. So as you can see here, I entered my trade pretty soon after that candle close. If you see right here, at 7 a.m., 7 and 21 seconds. So 21 seconds after that 5 minute candle close, I was in the trade. That's here. I think I got in around 420 cents. So not exactly at the entry, but I wanted to get in before it took off with me, and I thought 20 cents was fine. And as you can see, I had a little bit of downside for just a second, not long at all, actually. So had a little bit of downside, and then we were green pretty quickly after that. I have this red line here. Once this actually started moving in my direction, and I took off 3 contracts here, I set a new stop. So my stop initially, my entry was 400, target is 401 to potentially 402. My stop was 399.80. So as we moved up in this direction, I moved my stop. I'm no longer going to wait for this stock or SPY to retrace all the way back to 399.80. So I moved my stop up to 450 after I took half of my position size off here. And then as you can see, I took another out at 65 cents, another at 74 cents, and then I took the other one off at 62 cents. So overall, $288, $93 in profit. Well, $85 when you take away the commissions and fees. But I'm pretty happy with this one. I wanted to see it obviously to 402, but it didn't go there. And I had some pretty good exits. And I was in this trade for only 11 minutes. I entered 6 contracts at 7, and I was out of all of the contracts at 7:11. So yeah, if I could say anything I maybe want to do better is I scaled out at like 480 cents. And maybe if I just held and scaled out into the 400 more, I could have probably got about 15 more bucks from this trade. So ended up having, instead of 93 bucks, had 108. But I mean, something to note, not that big of a deal. I'm happy with this scale out, happy with the trade, and yeah, hope this was helpful.